If you're checking out this SimPure Y9 water filtration system, hopefully I can answer some of your questions here and go over some of the details with you. Let me show you it up close. So first question might be, what does this actually do? Well, it has a reverse osmosis filtration system, and it's going to actually take out some of the things like the fluoride and things like that and other chemicals that can be harmful, but it also adds calcium, potassium, magnesium, and some of those essential minerals that you do need in your water. So let's get it going. One of the nice things that you can see here is it fits right underneath my counter with plenty of extra space. It is designed to do that. If you are wondering about installation, it's actually really simple. The filters are already pre-installed for you, so you don't have to worry about that at all. You do have to flush it out a few times in the beginning, which is really simple. And this drip tray that it has here connects magnetically. As you can see right here, the total max that it will hold it at one time is 1.3 gallons. So you get a decent amount of water space in there. Still plenty of room to remove the water tank, even underneath the cabinets. Just simply use your own tap water. The seals underneath hold really well. When you remove the tank, it doesn't leak. To give it a nice flush through, gives a nice steady flow. And if you're wondering, the water does come out really cold. And now the real test. Let's see how it tastes. I don't have any weird smell, anything like that. It has a very nice, crisp, clean taste to it. So the really cool thing about this, which is what made me want to get it, is you don't have to do any special plumbing hookups, modify anything with your sink or anything like that. You use your own tap water, you put it in here, it fits on the counter. You could even use this in an RV, a dorm, any place like that. You don't have to worry about modifying anything. It's really easy to use.